everybody, welcome or welcome back. It's Paula with Paula's Imperfect Plans. Today I am jumping in and just like, I'm gonna say fixing, but there's a bunch of stuff that I need to add in here, like backwards to record stuff and forwards to look into the next couple weeks and month and what have you, and I thought I would bring you guys along for it because why not, right? Okay, if I am looking at, I want to see, I got these stickers, and so I would like to keep track of it via sticker on my, so I got gas on the 10th, 17th, and 19th. Okay, so we will 10th, 17th, and the 19th. Then we filled Wesson's meds that day. And what else do we have to put in here? Oops. All right, that might be all we have to put back on the monthlies. So if I now flip to the weeklies, I'm filming this on Monday morning, the 24th. So I don't think I put in there change filter. Do I need that on the monthly too? I put it on the monthly already though, didn't I? Yeah, okay. So hopefully that will help me remember that we did that. I don't think I have anything else going backwards that we need to do. But going forward, or here for the current week, I have some things to add. So this is, I have one kiddo who has a pajama day today. I don't super often put stickers on my weekly going into it, but I want to have some meeting stickers, and so I kind of have to fit, kind of eventually have to use them for something, I guess. So and then we will just put turkey basketball game at the kids' school, and then Grandma's gonna take them home afterwards. Maeve has pajama day. I don't know why, but it's just for kindergartners. My first grader's pretty upset about it. And I'm like, honestly, kid, if you want to wear pajamas, put pajamas on. I don't care if you wear pajamas in school. I literally lived my high school years in sweatpants. I care not in the slightest. I think the comfier you are, the better you learn, in my personal opinion. And experience, I guess. I don't have any birthdays this week. I don't think there's anything for my mom. Nothing specific for me. I know that I have work, but I don't have any, you know, last week I was like working extra late stuff and whatever, just trying to get things in. But I don't, I'm hoping to be able to work. Oh, that's not true. I will be working probably till 5:30 on Tuesday. Kind of forgot what I was doing there. So the deal with these days is I get 8 hours for Thanksgiving and 8 for Black Friday, and normally I work a short day on Friday, but I have 8 hours of holiday pay for both of those days, so I only have 24 hours to spread between these 3 days. So I'll either have to work 3 8s, or like I know that day I'm working late, so I'll maybe just have less hours to work on Wednesday. I kind of just let it play out however, but I'm also trying to get all of these extra things. Not extra, but I just have a lot of work to do since I didn't have nearly enough time at work to get everything done in November. So I am all kinds of winging it. So let's now flip to December, and I have a few things that I need to put on here. I don't know if I should put it just on the monthly. No, I think I'm going to put it on the weekly. I think that makes more sense. So is this the same thing? It didn't give me dates for 12 days of Christmas giving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's only 11. Okay, so I don't have dates for that. I have 12 days of Christmas dress up days for my kids. So let's see. First of all, I'm going to go out of I normally have the school is green and whatever. I don't want those color dots all over this. Let's take every dot, take every pen I own out of here quick. Okay, on Monday, I suppose I could make this a little fun. Where are these pens? Or even these, this would work. I'm gonna put a dot, because that's gonna have what our dress up, that's not the dot side, okay? I bet the green one is at work. Rude. Okay, I guess for that I will do the felt tip. Green. Where's my red felt tip? What is happening? I don't have anything. All right, so December 8th is Merry and Bright, red versus green. And then they will wear your favorite and see which one wins. December 9th is Twinkle Lights, Glow Stick, Light Up Necklaces, or LED accessories. No flashing lights, please. We'll just put Twinkle Lights. All right, December 10th is Wrap It Up, wear bows, ribbons, gift tag accessories, or paper patterns. Thursday is Holiday Vacation. Think tropical Christmas, sunglasses, lays, beach Santa vibes, Hawaiian shirts. We'll just do. And then Friday I have the green, so this is flannel. Flannel Friday. We are in Iowa, friends. Okay, tropical Christmas. Okay. Then we still have all right, so Monday is holiday hats. Tuesday, festive socks or sweaters. Okay, Wednesday. Is there no school that day? Wonderful. I messed it up. That's what happens when you don't look carefully. It's obnoxious. What I'm going to do there is I am very much, festive socks or sweaters is the 17th, and the 16th is holiday hats. I am very much going to just put the arrow to switch here and hope I remember that. Okay. The 18th is Holiday Character Day. And the 19th is Candy Cane. Day. So red and white stripes. Then Monday and Tuesday. Monday is Blizzard Blue Day, where all blue, silver, sparkles, or snowstorm themed items. Blizzard Blue Day. And then December 23rd, all the Jingle Bells Day. Full holiday spirit with shirts, accessories, bells, and festive colors. So this is all right, so I got those written in there. Then for the 12 days of holiday giving, I don't know where I should put that because I don't have a date yet, but let's do just do for 12 days 12 days of giving. So then I'll put Wesson, Eden, Maeve, and okay, so 4th graders need to bring canned veggies. First graders need to bring toilet paper. And kindergartners need to bring socks. And so I will highlight that, and hopefully that will remind me of some point during this. Yep, did not wait long enough for that. Sorry. All right, I will have to find when that is happening, which days are which, because last year it was like everybody, each class, each grade not only had a specific item, but they had a specific date. So I'll have to figure that out. Okay, so we have all the Christmas dress up days on here. I'm assuming that means I don't have the, do I have it in the monthly? No, I don't have the 15th written down at all as the no school day. Is it a no school day? I definitely don't have it written down as one, but there is no dress up stuff on the 12 days of Christmas for the 15th. So I guess I need to do some checking on that specifically. Okay, and then there were a few things I was going to put down our I would like to watch some, I got the like the local school football, or no, not football, but basketball. Well, it's winter sports schedule. That I don't really pay attention to wrestling, but I would like to go to some of the basketball games. But I also don't really want to put all of the games in here, because I don't know that that's necessary. I suppose I could look here at my thing and see what's that night and that night. Oh, 4 they're on the same, so they must do JV girls, JV boys, varsity girls, and varsity boys. They do 4 games in a row. Well, that's kind of cool. So then I could go and watch some of them at least at the same December 20th. That might be a good one. It's a weekend. You know what? For right now, I'm just going to put this in the back in my daily stuff. And where's my like radar page? I'm going to take it and put it right here. I am going to, whoops. Actually going to take off everything but the just the 2 that I want to see. I'm just going to flip this in here, and then I will still be able to fold it up as needed to see anything underneath, but it's in there. Okay, I will work on that later. Ew. I definitely didn't get that stuff done. Okay, perfect. So, this week I have nothing else. I don't know yet what my afternoon looks like. I don't have any personal appointments or things. I just know like this is my work schedule. It's a short week. I thought I had more stuff to put on the December monthly, but I guess I don't really know. Hang on a second. Okay, I even just checked the calendar, and it definitely does not say that there's no school on that day, so I'm not sure what's happening here. I do need to put what color do I typically do school in? I think it's this one. Just gonna make a note that there is no school mass that morning for whatever reason. Grandma always takes them in on Friday mornings because she goes to the school masses. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put, how am I gonna note this? We are having our Duff family Christmas sometime on this day. My kids' Christmas concert is the next day, and I think my mother-in-law said she had some appointments at Mayo. I don't remember if it was like leading up to this weekend or following it, but that would be a good weekend for them all to meet at my house. I told my husband I want to be done hosting. I would rather travel for Christmas than host. I did not get that. That didn't happen this year, obviously. I don't know. I don't think I have anything else to put on here. At this point. And I don't even really have my dailies. Do I have my dailies set up? I think I have Monday and Tuesday written out. And then I've still been dividing it up into like a to-do and then some kind of a notes, whatever that looks like. It's not necessarily stuff that needs to be crossed off. It's kind of just stuff, whether I'm tracking, you know, spending that I made that day, purchases, things that I want to, yeah, I don't know, make note of, something that happened, whatever. Whatever notes and to-do. There's a distinction in my head, so I do them, whoops, to do. So I do them separately. Thursday, I don't even know. I'm okay with white space and we're close enough to the end of the book, the end of the year, I mean, that I'm just putting, even if I don't really use it, like I don't want just like a whole bunch of entirely unused pages, so I'm just gonna set everything up for a page per day, and then if I need an extra page, I'll flip to a new page and start Sunday, November 30th. I can't believe that we are then in 2025, or I mean in December, sorry. We have I'm doing an A6 Wonderland222 for next year, and that, I know that starts in December. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31. So I didn't leave too many extra pages before I got into some of the spending stuff. So I'll probably keep doing the daily pages for that, even if it means a little bit of like, because if my Wonderland222 does, the A6 does start in December, which I'm almost certain it does, I am going to hop over and start using it in December. So no question about that. Whoops. And I'm so here, it's Monday morning to do notes. To do and notes. super messy planning here on my part, as I know that you've seen. This is what it looks like. So, okay, yeah, I've got my sticker here. This is for today. So this was just a real quick, like, come in and see if there's stuff that I need to go back and note, go forward and note for the week. I'm potentially having a visit from my cousin and her daughter this day, but I don't necessarily want to put it on there because I'm just not sure. Like, she said it a couple weeks ago, so I'd like to be a little bit closer to confirming that before I put it on here in pen. I mean, I guess, you know what? I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, and then if we cancel, we cancel, but the one that I went to see who just had a baby. She's gonna bring her older kiddo over. I don't know if she's gonna bring the baby or not, but she might bring the older kiddo over, like, to see our animals and stuff. Okay, and play with my girls. Her oldest turned 3 this summer, and then my daughters are 5 and 6, and so they have a lot of fun together. Okay, I still need to set up December goals. I didn't do much for November goals. Did not do well on them at all, but all right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.